Understanding the DTCC Fast Training in Private Banking. Introduction to DTCC Fast Training Part 8. The DTCC, Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, Fast Training. Part 8 has begun, marking a significant phase for those involved. This training is crucial for understanding the various aspects and nuances that may not be immediately apparent, but are essential for effective implementation. The availability of necessary resources is often within a 24 to 48-hour window, which is critical for timely execution. Individual implementation strategies. Implementation strategies will vary from person to person due to the differences in learning curves and the complexities encountered. From a foundational perspective, certain documents are essential for sound understanding. However, the level of processing may need to be adjusted depending on the entities one is contracting with. Asymmetric versus symmetric information. There are two main approaches to handling information: asymmetric and symmetric. The asymmetric perspective is often preferred, especially for those new to the field who aim to influence public compliance with private directives. It's important to recognize that public entities are well versed in these processes and will challenge one's knowledge and preparation. Expectations from public entities. When engaging with state actors, one should anticipate a level of testing and skepticism. These actors are bound by their oath to protect public interests and may not readily acknowledge private processes. Being tested should be seen as a positive sign, and one should be prepared for at least 3 practical examinations. Operating from a creditor's perspective. Adopting a creditor's perspective means approaching commercial scenarios without combativeness. The focus should be on understanding forms and accounting, as all payments in such dealings are form-based. This approach ensures that discussions can progress to the accounting stage, which is pivotal for creditors. Importance of accounting principles. Understanding accounting principles is non-negotiable. One must be able to determine outcomes based on these principles before taking action. The most crucial ledger to consider is whether it's the one on a computer screen or the one in one's trust. This understanding will guide actions and interpretations needed to achieve the desired remedy. The role of trust in private banking. Trust plays a significant role in private banking. It's essential to understand how to construct and utilize trusts to manage assets effectively. The trust ledger is a critical component, and understanding its weight compared to digital records is a part of the learning curve. Utilizing forms and returns. Creditors must be familiar with various forms and returns, such as the creditor's tax return, which can be extensive. It's not about replicating what has been taught, but understanding the rationale behind each step. For instance, the 8302 return is a tool that can be used in conjunction with arbitration to reconcile books from a creditor's perspective. The significance of evidence and experience. Having evidence of debt forgiveness and the ability to demonstrate it is more powerful than hoping for a successful outcome. Experience under one's belt is invaluable, and it's crucial to never ask the public to do something that hasn't been done from a private standpoint. Conclusion: the path to competence. The journey to competence in DTCC Fast Training and Private Banking is marked by a deep understanding of documents, accounting principles, and the strategic use of forms and trusts. Embracing the learning process and being prepared to demonstrate knowledge in practical scenarios are key to success in this domain.